Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to show you an alternative way to clean your stovetop. Ours is like a glass stovetop and we want to find a better way to clean it. A lot of you said that cleaning with baking soda, it kind of creates a bigger mess because, you know, yes, it gets everything clean, and yes, it's a good way where it's baking soda is not a huge harsh chemical to clean, but because it's baking soda, it gets into every kind of crack and crevice and you have to kind of wipe it all out. So we're going to show you a different way of doing it today. So we're going to start with this, it's called the pink stuff. So it's a mild abrasive cleaning paste that you put on. It's really nice because it's a paste. So another thing that you guys mentioned with the baking soda is how do you do the walls of your ovens and things like that, right? Well, the paste will work for that as well. So we're going to show you that and the original Scrub Daddy. So the original Scrub Daddy is, it's got a soft, it's softer if it's in warm water. If you do it in cold water, it becomes more of a firm sponge. The other thing that's different about this is that most sponges absorb things and they get bacteria and they get that stuff in it. This, because of how it's actually made, doesn't absorb any of that. So you can rinse it really clean and it comes clean. It also has eyes and a mouth. The mouth is supposed to be for like cleaning utensils and different things. You can put stuff into there. Same for the eyes. But it also works as if you want to get into something and really kind of get scrubbing and put a little bit more effort into it, you can use those for actually holding it, or if you're getting into corners, things like that. It gives you something to kind of grip to instead of trying to grip to the outside. So that's that. These are each about $5 each, $5 to $6 each on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description below to show you that. And the other part of this is you don't really have to leave it sit for a very long time either. So it's a lot quicker. So one thing is you guys were like, well, that's not very quick. You have to put it on, you wait a little while, then you wipe it all down, and then you have to try to get all the cracks and crevices to get the baking soda out. This is put on, pretty much clean immediately. You might have to put a little bit more effort into it to how dirty it is. A little bit of water, and that's it. So we're going to show you how to do this. We're showing you the pink stuff, the original Scrub Daddy, and we are being safe today, and we're going to use some rubber gloves. Okay, so we put a little warm water, so it's a little bit of a softer sponge for us for our original Scrub Daddy. And of course, things, you know, our kids use this all the time, and things boil over and they don't clean it up, and it gets hard and crusty, and then things get baked on it again. So the pink stuff, we're just going to put a little bit goes a long way, they say. So we're just going to put a little bit on, and we're going to do the whole top of this. And it, again, the benefit of this is you don't have to wait out the time, and you're not getting baking soda everywhere. So I'm just going to kind of go over the whole thing, and then I'm going to go back through and put a little bit more elbow grease into it. And for those of you who like to comment about the elbow grease comments, that you can't find it anywhere, yeah. You have to find your own elbow grease. No link in the description. Oh, you can see my Scrub Daddy's getting a little dirty. The other benefit of this is they say that it's a mild abrasive, so it should not scratch your surfaces. Same with the Scrub Daddy, even that firm shouldn't scratch your surfaces. So, all right, put a little bit on there, a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit more for those tougher spots. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my Scrub Daddy out, and I'm showing you this so you can see how clean it gets. So, like I said, some of the sponges you get for doing dishes, they hold a lot of bacteria in them. And because of the material that this is made of, you'll see that pretty much all the dirt, you rinse it a bunch of times here, the original Scrub Daddy comes very, very clean. There's a bunch of different Scrub Daddies you can get out there. This one's the original. They make a Scrub Mama, and they make a couple different colors different. They make a bunch of different Scrub Daddies. You can get them in a variety pack. Okay, so you can see it went from pink to dirty, so we know we got a lot of dirt off. And I just have a white cloth to wipe it down, and we're just going to start from one side and work our way to the other side and wipe it down. And you can see that there is no real, like with the baking soda, you could feel the baking soda. You got a lot of baking soda in different crevices and cracks and things like that. You know, with this, you don't have that, and you can really just kind of wipe it down. I'm going to wipe it down, rinse it, wipe it down again, see if we can get all the pink stuff out of there. Let me just flip my towel here quick. And there you have it. That is a clean top. 0 scratches to it. So that's it. We wiped it down. Way easier than baking soda. The pink stuff. There's really no smell. A little bit of a smell to it, but not much at all. The Scrub Daddy has 0 smell to it either. You don't smell any chemical things or anything with it. So like no smell to this. Very little smell to this. And the pink stuff is, you know, basically soap. Also contains some perfume, which is the tight little bit of smell that you have to it, right? And that's really it. There's not a lot in this but again, no abrasiveness, very easy. We're gonna show you some other things that we can do with the pink stuff and with our Scrub Daddy. And we're gonna show you some miracles as well, but you can see how well it works, and it actually is a lot easier. You don't wait, you don't mix your own stuff up, and it's like $5, $6. For a big container, we didn't use hardly any. So that's it. We'll put a link in the description below to both the Scrub Daddy and to the pink stuff. And we'll see you next time. Subscribe to our channel.